Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with another video that is related to the immune system. Okay, this is about the NK1-T cell and the granulocytes, and the last one is the mast cells. So here is the space is very less, so I have to first clean this one and then I have to write about the mast cell. Okay, so please continue with me. And before going to this topic, I want to say thank you to all of you who have already subscribed my channel, and please you just please press the bell icon for getting the all notifications when I upload any video in my channel. Okay, and so let's continue. That is the NK1-T cell. Okay, NK1-T cell means, okay, another thing is that I have already explained about the T cell and NK cell in my previous videos, so you check out that one. This is the NK1-T cell. Why it is called the NK1-T cell? Because it has the feature of NK cells and obviously the feature of the T cells. Clear? So both the features they have, that's why they are known as the NK1-T cell. Okay, so T cell means they are NK1-T cells, they have some receptors just like TCRs. Okay, and they try to bind with like MHC 1 or 2 kind of substances. So not proper MHC, that is Cl1 obviously, that behaves like MHC complex or MHC molecule. So in that situation, these cells, they behave like the T cells. Okay, that means first this cell bind with the Cl1 and then become active and then try to destroy the another foreign particles. And the second one is the like NK cells, they show the activity. So NK cells, how they active or they destroy the foreign particles, obviously just like same features they carry, these cells carry. So that's why these are known NK1-T cell. Okay, and function is what? That the population of triggered NK1-T cells, they secretes a large amount of cytokines, and that are needed for, first one, antibody production by B cells, inflammation and development and expansion of the cytotoxic T cell. So actually these are the activations of these cells. This is possible only when one kind of secretion is secreted from this cell, and the secretion is cytokines. Okay, cytokines which activate generally B cell production and the T cell or the cytotoxic T cell production and development, and obviously inflammation. By the secretion of these cytokines, the inflammation is also seen. And this is occurring when, and generally these are the rapid immunologic response, and when it is seen while the conventional TH responses are still developing. Okay, that means just its function is to stop the activity of the foreign particles just before the activation with the not activation, or before the destruction properly with the TH cells. Clear? Again I repeat that its function is very rapid immunologic function, and it is seen when, and it is continuously seen when, until the TH cells are completely developed. Okay, or they are processing in developing condition. Okay, in that situation its activity, NK1-T cell, is seen, and after or when the TH cells become mature fully, then the activation of the NKT1 cells that is completely stopped. Okay, so these cells try to stop the activity of the foreign particles until the processing of the TH cells or the development of the TH cell is totally completed. Clear? Second one is the granulocytes. Under granulocytes, there are neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. Okay. So, neutrophils is actually the part of the WBC, obviously, white blood cells. These contain generally peroxidase, lysozymes and hydrolytic enzymes. Okay. So these are actually the phagocytic cells possess primary granule. Okay. Phagocytic cells means just phagocytosed the foreign particles with the help of these enzymes, or these enzymes help them in that situation. Okay. So these are the primary granules and obviously containing the peroxidase, lysozyme and hydrolytic enzymes. Clear? And also it contains a secondary granule which contain the collagenase, lactoferrin and lysozymes. Clear? So there are two type of granules. One is the primary granules, another is the secondary granules. Okay, the primary granules containing these type of enzymes and peroxidases, etc., and secondary granules that contains collagenase, lysozymes, etc. Both the granules, okay, fuse with the phagosome to digest its content. Okay, so both the granules are responsible to digest the content. Okay. Next, it exhibits the leukocytosis. Obviously, another process, this is the leukocytosis, where neutrophils are released from the bone marrow in response to infections. Okay, so that means three types of possibilities are there. One is the primary granule formation, second one is the secondary granules formation, and third one is the releasing of the neutrophils. Okay. All are involved in phagocytic activity. Clear? All are involved in phagocytic activity. First one containing some of these enzymes, second one containing some of these enzymes, and generally two type of granules. They fuse with the phagosome and engulf the total content of the foreign particles. Okay, and the leukocytes is what? Here the bone marrow, from the bone marrow neutrophils are released and just phagocytose the foreign particles. Clear? Next one is the eosinophil. Eosinophil is the motile phagocytic cells. Okay, motile phagocytic cells. Okay, so that means they migrate from blood vessels to the tissue space like neutrophils, and the activity is also like the neutrophils, but these are the motile, or these are moving within the bloodstream and to go to the target cells and just behave like the same like neutrophils. Clear? Next one is the basophils. These are obviously the part of the WBC, and these granules containing one proper substance that is called the histamine. Clear? That is called the histamine, and the function of histamine is what? The hypersensitivity reactions. Okay? These help in hypersensitivity reactions. So these are all the granulocytes, about the granulocytes and the NK1-T cell. Now we will learn about the mast cells, and this is the last cell that is related with the immune system. So I think today we have totally learned all about the cells that are related with the immune system. So continue with me just for last one. Okay, so now we will learn about the mast cells. Mast cell precursors that develop in the bone marrow and during hematopoiesis, and then carried via blood to all the vascularized peripheral tissues and ultimately differentiated into mature mast cells. Okay, so where they generally form? they are formed in the bone marrow. These are formed during the hematopoiesis process, and from there they release and they are carried via blood to the vascularized peripheral tissues, and here they become the mature mast cells. Clear? And these are formed in the skin connective tissue of various organs. Which organs are involved here? The mucosal epithelia of digestive, reproductive and respiratory tract. And the third one, these possess the cytoplasmic granules that filled with the pharmacologically active substance. Mast cells together with the basophils play a role in the development of the allergic reaction. Okay. So here mast cell not only help in the or help not, they generally involved in the allergic function. Obviously they together with the basophils, okay, together with the basophils they play the role in the allergic reactions. So first of all, they are developed from bone marrow, and with the blood they actually carried with the through the blood they enter in the peripheral tissues. Okay, these peripheral tissues where they becomes mature, and generally they formed where? Generally they form the skin and the mucosal epithelial of the digestive, reproductive and respiratory tract. And here they contain cytoplasmic granules. They contain cytoplasmic granules and some pharmacologically active. What is the meaning of the pharmacologically active? That means related with the medicines, and that's why some medicines create some side effect to us, or some medicines become allergic to our body. So these are related with the pharmacologically substances. Clear? Because some medicines which create side effect, that means there are some substances that are very sensitive to the mast cells, and that's why allergic reactions is seen in the body with the obviously not here mast cells, basophils are involved. Okay, with the basophils and mast cell togetherly create these allergic reactions in the body. Okay, so these are the complete explanations about the different cells related to our the immune system. And so you continue with me and my channel, and for getting another knowledges, or obviously I am continuing now immunological system or immune system. So there are another topic related to immune system I will discuss with you in my next video. So please you continue with me for getting the knowledge. So thank you.